Digital Multimeter LMDMM-A100. Features 4000 count LCD. It measures AC/DC voltage, resistance, capacitance, frequency, and duty cycle, making it ideal for industrial, laboratory, and household electrical troubleshooting. Features: compact build. Fits easily in hand or toolkits. RMS measurement. Measures accurate AC signals including non-sinusoidal waves. Auto-ranging function. Switches between automatic and manual measurement modes. Continuity testing. Detects breaks in circuits with sound indication. Low battery indicator. Signals when battery needs replacement. Auto power off. Saves power by turning off after inactivity.